we are officially leaving the Gold Coast and we're heading south today, right now.
That's where we're staying. Right there.
We just had breakfast, said all our goodbyes, which never gets any easier. It's getting too hot for us here, so we're migrating south.
Looking forward to some cooler temperatures. It's been like 30 plus degrees in the van for since the last video, so we're leaving.
We're leaving.
Let's
Let's hit the road.
Jack.
Our next stop will be Ballina.
Continue on M1 for 60 kilometers.
We're in Ballina. We've just stopped at Super Cheap to get a new bulb for our indicator that's been out for like months. So we're finally getting that fixed. Did you change it already?
Yeah, I think so. You want to just check?
Yeah.
Hopefully that won't fly away in the breeze. It's only being held in by this tiny screw. They work?
Working.
Actually looks yellow, that's good. Oh man.
Car park yoga.
Car park yoga.
Not too much going on around here, is there?
Mate, as if you'd want to live here.
Not the most exciting place.
So boring.
Big prawn, mate. Right next door. Bunnings. How Aussie is that?
Next stop, Coffs Harbour.
So as you can see, when you drive around Australia, there's not all much to look at. In fact, it's a lot of nothingness. Just trees and grass. Such a big place, and it just takes forever to get anywhere. My God, look at all the Santa Claus, holy shit.
So we just got ourselves a site. It's nice and shady here, so hopefully it'll keep us cool enough over the next couple of days when it's going to be super hot. We'll be here for 2 nights, tonight and tomorrow night, and then we'll be heading further south to Southwest Rocks. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
There's a jail there that we'll be staying at, so I'm really excited to check that place out. Ready for the beach?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Can you hear that?
Hear that sound?
Yeah. I don't know if it's...
Oh, shit. Holy shit, check them out. Oh my god. What the fuck? Whoa, are they those prawny, I don't know what they're called. Prawny birds? Wow. So many. Oh my god, they're so beautiful.
I was going to turn around. Oh, that's the best. Wow.
Oh my god, what is he up to? That is amazing.
That is creepy looking.
Yeah. That's awesome. It's like a little family of owls. What the hell? Oh my god.
Let's go see the beach.
Do you want me to go first, Gainey?
Yeah.
Alright. No snack, please.
Oh, oh wow. It's so hot. I'm terrified of walking through grass like this, where it's like a really narrow path because it's snake season. All the snakes are coming out. Brown snakes are quite common to see at the beach. Tim's running.
Morning guys, you like this spot? Yeah, it's nice, eh? So guys, we're at Sapphire Beach Holiday Park, I think it's called. It's just north of Coffs Harbour. And the night here last night was so quiet. We've been staying in cities for like the last 2 years. Part of that was renting, but last night was definitely the quietest, best sleep I've had in 2 years. So Ellie's just making some coffee now. I'm just going to take you guys for a little walk over here. When we rocked up here yesterday, there was a couple of owls as we were walking to the beach, and I was like, for sure, that will never happen again, ever. And lo and behold, I was walking down to the beach this morning for my morning walk, and I spotted a couple of owls again. They're like right here. Right here. Coffee time.
Coffee.
There she is.
We are back on the road again. And we're hitting the gym.
We've just finished at the gym. We're in Coffs Harbour, about to hit the road. It says we're about an hour and 15 minutes away from the next campsite. So I've just stopped to have some lunch. We're in a place called Ray Lee, which is just off the highway. We were going to stay at, we were going to pull off at a rest area, but on the maps it said that there weren't any between here and the campsite. So we just found a random spot here underneath a tree.
Salt your tomatoes.
That looks delicious. That looks dope. Not bad.
Let's hit the road. Ready?
Yep. It is the camping office right here.
Okay.
Wow, that looks cool. Well, that drive was pretty hot, but we've just arrived. We're at site number 5. If you guys come here, get a beachfront site. Honestly, the view here is just amazing. morning, guys. It's another beautiful day. We're about to head up to the jail and go check that out.
Wow, that's creepy. What the hell? Look through there.
What you're seeing behind me is pretty much what you got to look forward to when you're doing a road trip in Australia between cities. It's all that. We're going to sleep right here tonight. We've got a wicked view of the ocean here. We can see all the way down to the Newcastle baths and the bogey holes below us. You'll see that in a future video. And yeah, basically they locked this place up at about 8:30 at night time. They got signs at the front saying no camping, but I mean, it's just a sign, isn't it? So yeah, that'll do. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys sticking around to the very end. It means a lot when you guys watch the whole thing. If you want to see some more stuff in Newcastle, make sure that you hit subscribe. Like this video as well, it helps us out a lot. And share it around with your friends if you have any.